Are you looking for the best indoor plants in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best indoor plants that are available on the market.
If this video is helpful for you, please like, comment and press the subscribe and bell button. Okay, let's start the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden Kit. The Click and Grow Smart Garden 3 is a great gardening solution for anyone who loves growing edible plants and herbs, but may not have the time to monitor them closely each day. If you've ever used a pod coffee maker, this plug-in planter is very similar. Its seeds and soil come in the form of capsules, which you can simply insert into the unit. And its included LED lighting system means that you don't have to clear your windowsills to make room for it. Keep the bottom chamber filled with water, and watch your progress via the app each day. Oh, and basil is far from the only option. Click and Grow has a huge seed library. Moving on at number 4, we have the Air Plant Shop Assorted Tillandsia Ionantha Air Plants. Air plants come in many different colors and sizes, and they're unique in that they aren't planted in soil. Arrange them inside of a terrarium or any decorative container to add a little low-maintenance greenery to your workspace. About once a month, soak your air plants in water for 10 minutes to rehydrate, and then let them completely dry out in a sunny spot before returning them to their planters. At number 3, we have the Costa Farms ZZ plant. Want to hit snooze on your plant caretaking responsibilities? Get yourself a ZZ plant. This leafy, long-stemmed indoor plant is incredibly hardy, as it's able to thrive in low-light conditions without frequent watering. However, if you have pets, you may want to consider something else. ZZ plant's leaves contain an irritant that can be toxic if ingested. At number 2, we have the Costa Farms Money Tree. Money trees have distinctive twisted trunks and lots of feathery green leaves. This indoor plant is a good one to place by a bathroom window with indirect light, as it thrives in warm, humid indoor climates, and only needs a little water about every 10 days. You can even encourage growth by repotting your plant every 2 years into a larger container so that its roots have more room. And finally at number 1, we have the Costa Farms Sansevieria snake plant. Snake plants are known for their stunningly variegated, sword-like leaves. They like direct, but not intense, sunlight, so they're perfect for keeping by a window at home or in an office. Just water them once a week, and occasionally dust off their leaves so that they stay happy on your sill. Studies have also shown that these indoor plants have air purifying properties, even if the total amount of County 2 they remove is very minimal.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the video. If the video is helpful for you, please like, comment and share to your friend. Then don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.